Hey, thanks for stopping by. Wood-psyche here. Just working on this different kind of project. It's basically an animal of sorts. I'm not sure what kind of animal. Maybe like a hybrid. But I'm using this Bauer Burr that I got at Harbor Freight. It's like a rasp, more or less. Pretty cool tool. It's real cheap. It's under $10 for two of them. I just wanted to test this burr out, see how good it works. It seems like it does a pretty good job. It's good for putting texture on the surface. And I'm trying to put some fur and hair on this beast. Seems to be working pretty well, but it does gum up quite a bit, so you have to brush it off and clean it off periodically. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight, but I just always seem to go to that store. They always have some interesting items there. And I just wanted to introduce this particular burr because I thought it might be useful for anyone that's doing some kind of wood carving. I'd say it's worth a try. So far, so good. No issues. But I'd be concerned a little bit about the tapered end. It might break off, possibly. It looks fragile somewhat. Seems to be doing pretty good, I'd say. I switched over to this metal cutting burr. It's a cylindrical one to put some texture on the side. And it does a really nice job because it's got a really sharp edge on it. It's good for fur, as you'll see here momentarily. This burr was actually designed for metal cutting, but I use it for wood cutting. I don't find any problems using a metal burr on wood, but I wouldn't use a Saburrtooth on metal though, that's for sure, because it would just totally mess up your burr, I would imagine, after a short period of time. I've never tried it, and I don't want to, due to the fact that those burrs are designed only for a certain purpose, plastics and wood. But I did try one of those burrs on a piece of stone one time. It seemed to do okay, but I felt the performance was diminished after using it on the stone because it did seem to wear it down a bit. It was in one of my previous videos where I was carving rock. I'm just putting little strands of hair in there. Actually works quite well. This project changed a little bit. I added some legs on. Doing some rough fitting of these four legs that I have to attach to the body. It's actually a piece of white pine from a tree that was cut down from a neighbor's yard. Recycled some of the wood from it, and I figured, it's pretty dry already. It's cured, and it's good for the legs. It's a softer kind of wood. But I'm using a coping saw here to shape the leg where it's going to be attached to the main torso, and I'm going to attach it with metal rods that are drilled into the body, and they could be slightly articulated too. I don't plan on gluing them in permanently. A lot of trial and error. It gets a little tedious trying to shape the wood so it blends in decently into the body. Yeah, I would recommend using coping saws to cut wood. They're really sharp when you get a new blade, especially, which I have here. And I'm using these Saburrtooth burrs to shape the legs as well. Those speeds up the process. It would be recommended to put this thing in a clamper of ice, because when you hold it with your hand, it could be slightly dangerous, but I'm wearing gloves, as you can see, so I'm somewhat protected. I like to have the mobility. Yeah, I got these cool projects I'm working on. I've been kind of busy, that's why I haven't uploaded much. Just trying to work on some videos behind the scenes right now to build up some kind of library, so I don't have to fuss around at the last minute, so I can have something to pull from easily and then upload it. Yeah, this leg, they're kind of stubby looking legs, much like a bear. That was the intention. But yeah, going back to this new project series I'm working on, they're called like ice picks. You can see here, I'll show you some screenshots. Basically, finding these old rusty nails, and I'm polishing them up and sharpening the tip, and they could be used as a multi-tool. Ice pick, owl for marking drill points, also scribe work. Good for texture. And also, as a last resort, some kind of self-defense weapon if need be, especially the knuckle pick. It's kind of deadly. But I don't condone any violence in any manner. It's merely just an informational purpose. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.